With Victor roll.
I was thinking about that, and honestly, I don't know. Maybe because technically, yeah, you probably will. Because then, if that was the case, there would be no point of legacy list, Victor. Then.
Extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses get nicky, wakey, till day, till day, hee hee. Unzips your baggy as pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy like you, nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. You don't see it coming.
Yes! Oh my fucking god! It's fucking over!
Grind,
It's fucking over! Oh my god! Oh my fucking god!
GG, bro.
No fucking way!
Damn.
Oh my fucking god!
Hurry level.
Oh
Boy
my
kisser
god!
chain, bro.
Actually, no, this pounces on this
Fucking
completion, bitch.
Oh my god!